Hi, it's Adam here from Lifestyle Mobility, and boy do I have something special to show you today. These are literally flying off the shelves, and there's a real reason why. It's because this is one of the lightest transportable boot scooters on the market, made from aircraft aluminium, and just look at this. Ridiculous! Come have a closer look and I'll show you some of the great features on here. This is the Alumina Pro, and the first feature I want to show you is how easy this is to take down and to put into your boot. I promise you nearly everyone would be able to do this because it is that light. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this lever here and we're going to take the seat straight off. From here we've got a battery. It's less than 5 kgs and this thing can do up to 30 miles. It's insane. We're going to adjust the tiller, so unwind here and then slowly lower this down. And then of course, just this little lever, lift, and this just slides out. Really, really simple. From here, you've got this component. This is the heaviest component, and it is less than 9 kgs. I can't begin to tell you how light this is. It's insane. You've got the motor end, which is even less than that, and I can just move this around. It weighs barely anything. So if we're gonna put it in the boot, the first thing you do is put this in. Once you've done that, we're gonna layer it all back up. So we put the battery in, grab the motor, put that across here, lower this down, and the seat comes in like so. How compact and easy is that in your boot? And it can fit into nearly any standard, even if you've got a small car, straight in. And so there is a real reason to be excited about this product. Look how slick it is. Look at the design here. It's so aesthetically pleasing. All the aluminium that's been put into here to make this ridiculously light. As you come through, we've got these really nice solid tires, and for those of you that still want a comfortable ride, there is a full suspension here at the front and at the back as well, making it again efficient but not overcomplicated. These are still, they look plastic, but these are actually alloy wheels. They just have a lovely matte black finish. A matte grey finish. Coming up here to the dial, again, just really simple. Forward, back, and you can see that little bit of kick. The torque in this thing is amazing. Easy here with a speed dial and of course the battery gauge, but nothing more. You just start and you go. We've got the battery down here, an incredible range. Really easy to pull out. 30 miles on this. 30 miles in this light lithium-ion battery. There is a 15-mile option as well. It's slightly more affordable too. But again, just so nice. We've got the nice stitching here. Again, a very comfortable seat for a takedown scooter, something you don't usually see. They're usually quite thin, and so with the extra weight here in the seat and the padding, it still is one of the lightest scooters out there. So again, just everything you want. This was the exciting Alumina Pro, and if weight has been the reason or the issue that's been holding you back from owning a transportable scooter, it isn't anymore, as this is one of the lightest transportable scooters in the world. And if you want to come down for an assessment, or of course we do assessments at home too, and to try this out for yourself to see why this is going off the shelves, then please give us a call on 017 02 417 088, and of course our website at lifestyleandmobility.co.uk. We look forward to seeing you soon in store. Have a lovely day.